Hey guys, we are here today because some of you may have noticed that I've missed the last 2 Mondays uploads. Well, truth be told, I have been very busy. I've got some videos that have been made. They're not edited yet, which is why they're not up, but I just haven't had time to edit them. And that's because we're moving to Virginia. We're moving to Lynchburg, Virginia. I'm actually going up there early. I've got a new job in the Burg. It's actually where my wife and I went to school. So I wanted to take this time to just say thank you to Warner Robins and just say goodbye to all the memories that we've made here and really just inform you guys on what's going on. I'm going up, actually starting today is my first day at my new job. It's really cool. I'll tell you guys all about it when I can, but just trust me, it'll blow your mind. It's so cool. Hannah is actually staying in Warner Robins, and I know that's kind of a bit of a tricky decision. Just financially made more sense for us to kind of be apart for a little bit. I mean, we'll be apart until Eliza's born, but it's only 3 months, and then we've so much vacation time that she's just gonna come up for almost a month, and it's really not gonna be that long. So don't worry, we have a very strong marriage. We'll be fine. But this was just an opportunity that I couldn't pass up. I wish the timing was a little bit better for Hannah and I to be up there at the same time, but you can't always predict exactly how things are gonna go, how the Lord is gonna move. But this officially means this is the end of my time in Warner Robins. Now I'm in Lynchburg, Virginia. And I will say, I moved to Warner Robins with a little over 200 subscribers. That was it. And now we are well over 4,000. It's not some meteoric rise that a lot of other YouTube channels have, but for me, I'm very proud of that. And thank you guys so much. I mean, Elsa started out as just this fairly stock GTI when she got here, and now look at 3 years later what she looks like. Just a completely different car. Still have a lot of work to do, still working on so many things for the car, and I'm so thankful for all the friends I've made here, all the people that I've got to meet, and all the shows and other things that I've got to do while here, and just kind of the car scene that I've got to figure out here in Warner Robins. It's a really, really cool place. Doesn't mean we're leaving Warner Robins forever. Hannah's family lives in Albany, so we're gonna be driving through. We're gonna be stopping at Buc-ee's, of course, and seeing all of our friends here. So if you're still in Warner Robins when we pass by, might even stop at a meet or a show or something if we're ever in the area. I'd still love to say, hey, I won't forget you guys, and hope you guys don't forget me. I'm very, very excited for what the Lord has next for me and Hannah. And I'm gonna be honest, the Parking Lot Mechanic YouTube channel will probably be taking a bit of a pause in the time being, just until I can figure out my schedule with this new job and how much I can devote to Elsa, whether it's a once weekly upload or a bi-weekly upload. Really, I still wanna make content for you guys. And like I said, I've got some videos already filmed, and I've got more work that I'm going to be doing on the car. I just need to find the time to put it all together. And hopefully in this time, I'll have plenty, while I'm up in Lynchburg and Hannah's still here, plenty of time for me to do work on the car, edit these videos. Really just thank you all for the support, even though I won't be uploading as regularly for a little bit. It will get figured out as best as I can. I want to keep uploading content every single week for you guys. There is a community that is being built. There is a channel and a following that is coming along that I never thought possible, and I'm praising the Lord for it. And I want to do you guys right and keep making content for you, because you followed for a reason, whether it's the car, or me, I don't know why me, or you just like how I edit videos. There's a reason you followed, and I want to reward that. I want to say thank you for following by continuing to upload content. Now, the best way for you to keep in touch and just see what's going on with the car on a regular basis is Instagram. And that's not necessarily anything I try to put too much effort into, but it's just a lot easier to snap a quick photo, write a couple sentences about what I've done, and upload it, as opposed to the 5 hours or so of work and filming, 4 hours of editing, and then uploading. It's just a lot easier. So Instagram at the Parking Lot Mechanic. I doubt it'll be right there. It'll probably be over here. That's the best place to keep up with me and the build. So please go check that out. Give it a follow if you want to just stay up to date in this bit of a pause time while I figure out my life, really. But thank you guys. Thank you, Warner Robins. It is sad to say goodbye to a real fantastic place. I love Middle Georgia, farmland Georgia. It's awesome, and it's just been a great place to film and build a community. But I'm so ready to be back in Lynchburg. It's a place that me and my wife absolutely love, and there's gonna be, no offense, some better roads, some really beautiful filming locations, and hopefully better content for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I know it might be a bit jarring and sudden. It is to us a little bit too, but we're following what the Lord is doing. Thank you so much. Please subscribe. Have a great day. And remember, Jesus loves you. Bye. Well, now hold on just a minute. So you may have noticed that there's actually quite a few discrepancies in what I just said. That's because the video was supposed to come out, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks ago, but now I've just gotten around to doing it. So I actually missed maybe 5 Mondays. I still have content, like I said, but I can actually tell you now what I'm doing. As you can see the sign behind me, I'm in Lynchburg, Virginia. I've actually been hired by Gears and Gasoline to be one of their videographers / editors, which is absolutely wild. When this video comes out, it was not my first day. That was 3 weeks ago, so I've been working for a fair bit, and it's been insane. It's every bit as awesome as you think it would. It truly is humbling and fantastic, and it's still mind-blowing, and I have to pinch myself. But anyways, still don't know exactly what that looks like for the channel. I've got content, I've got a film, I've got content I'm still working on, even in the process of my car, because you've seen on Instagram, my car is in a bit of a state right now, but it's all good. So thank you guys so much for watching. This is the real goodbye now. See you eventually. We'll figure out when, but have a good day. And remember, Jesus loves you. Bye for real.